So, coffee time. Welcome to this week's video. Thought I'd make a bit of a change today and go for a little bit of a drive round. Started off at Lavell's Wetland Trust to have a look at the lakes there, just to see if there's any interesting visitors. There wasn't anything special, but I managed to get a few images and a little bit of footage. I then moved on to Woodley, St Paul's Church, to look at the Peregrine Falcon, which seems to have taken up residence there, and managed to catch it. It was right at the top of the church, so I was really quite pleased. Didn't take off, didn't catch it flying, didn't catch it in flight, but at least I got some image and a little bit of footage. So this afternoon I've decided to come out onto the chilterns to see if I can catch some red kites. And I'm going to attempt to have a go at catching some skylarks. See if I can photograph them, see if I can video them. I don't hold up a great deal of hope, but we'll see what comes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did enjoy the filming and then the editing process. A big thank you for a friend of mine, Mark, for giving me a little bit of advice, especially for the location for the Skylarks. It really was a massively great day. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next one.